I'm Will from Heartland, and I'm in Chicago for the Morningstar Conference, which is being held at Navy Pier, which is just a fantastic setting right on Lake Michigan, outstanding skyline. And I'm taking a little break from the conference to shoot this video by the Chicago Board of Trade, which is right behind me. This institution was started in 1848, which is the same year that my home state of Wisconsin became a state. And back then, the traders here were focused solely on the agricultural markets, trading things like corn. But today, the participants are involved not only in agricultural commodities, but metals. Precious metals have been extremely strong over the last year, but also trade things like derivatives, swaps, and futures. I'm not a commodities expert, a trader, but I suspect that things like supply and demand factor into their thinking when they're making long or short positions, bullish or bearish bets on a particular commodity, say like corn. I suspect too that they think about things like sentiment. Typically when sentiment for a commodity is super high, the expectations are extremely high, and forward returns tend to be more muted, if not negative. Conversely, if sentiment is just lousy, no one wants to touch it. Typically the bar is so low that forward returns actually surprise the upside and they're quite robust. The last thing I think they might be thinking about in their work, and I'm sure there's a lot more, is technical analysis. In fact, in the 18th century, Japanese rice traders used technical analysis in terms of helping them frame their thinking about that particular commodity. We use technical analysis at Heartland. It's one of our 10 principles of value investing. The vast majority of the work that we do is more fundamental in nature. I've talked to you about some of the qualitative pieces of our research, like catalysts for recognition, and some of the quantitative, like financial soundness. So it's a mixture of the art and science, but technical analysis helps us verify or dispute that work. Perhaps work some of the biases that we might have on a particular position. After all, we are human, we have behavioral tendencies, and technical analysis looks through that and helps us manage that. If you want to learn more about our thoughts about technical analysis, check out our website. I hope you're having a great summer, and I look forward to updating you next month. Take care.